Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this Gaggia Classic espresso machine. It comes back to us for a warranty. The customer complains like weakness in the group head or like it was clogged actually when I tested, and he suspicious he thought it's a water pump or something else, and these drops coming out of here, that was like one of the other complaints, but that's related to the steam valve assembly. Sorry. So in order to replace that assembly, the part and the labor, actually it's gonna cost almost the price of the machine on the top of what we did in the machine. So all it needs, like, just tied it extra more, and here is it. It's only a drop comes, and that's not gonna, it's not a big issue. And about the cloggage here, I just found out even the water tank there was like bunch of sand in here, and inside the boiler there was a lot of sands. I don't know the water source they used. Maybe they need to watch it or filter it and like find a way to filter that water before put it in. Anyway, I get unclogged it again, and the machine works perfect, but it comes without the porter filter. And I have actually porter filter, but without the Gaggia basket. And the machine, I can show, like, the machine works perfect, flowing amazing, and even the hot water, like, there is it, that works perfect. And also let me test the steamer. It takes a little bit time to get her ready for it. So yeah, again the machine functioning perfect, but that takes like more than 2 hours to flush this boiler and clean it up from that sands. That's all. Yeah, the machine functioning great now. This is kind of the steam still in the system after yep, I have to do it again. There is it. It's open and super fast. Look how it's fill it up. Yep, thank you for watching.